Welcome to Euron everyone. My name is Danshu Kumar and I'm here with again another series on OTT platform Euron, which is known for upskilling. So let me share my screen. Let me talk about this particular series, which is very much important for any business analyst guy, any data analyst guys, or maybe anyone who would like to get into that field. So Tableau Master. So we have already released a sequel Python, which is again very much important for any analyst guy. And we have also released a Power BI, and now it's time for a Tableau. So here is a Tableau Masters. You all are going to find out. This course is going to start from 14th of June. And so the language is going to be English. All of you are going to get your personalized WhatsApp group, and every module will be released on every Monday. In total, there are 11 sections that I have kept inside this one. So in a 11 week of time, tentatively, this entire module, this entire course will be available to all of you. Now in every courses we are going to give you, in every module we are going to give you assignment, quizzes, material, whatever we are going to use, whatever material we are going to use, each and everything will be shared inside your dashboard for a seamless access. So if you are going to go and check the syllabus, believe me, you are going to enjoy it, because this is how the syllabus has been created. Everything which is required to become a best into a Tableau. So I have mentioned each and everything over here, and personally I'm going to take care of each and everything. I'm going to talk about each and everything when I'm going to create the content for this one, so that I'm not going to leave anything unturned, and you are going to understand this Tableau. You will be able to create a real-time visualization, a real-time dashboard when you are going to join a company, or if you are already a working professional. So maybe with the help of this particular course, with this particular series, you all will be able to enhance your knowledge on another level. So this is something that we are going to see it, guys, inside our Tableau Masters course, or series, I would prefer to say. So, and again, so I'm not selling this courses separately. So it's a part of your Euron Plus. The entire platform is accessible just in 299 INR per month. And then if you're from outside India, in that case, it's going to be a $10. If you are going to subscribe it yearly, you are going to get some sort of a discounts as well. So hope all of you are going to love it. All of you are going to like it. With that, thank you so much, everyone. Take care, and see you again in my next video.